Grab your popcorn, folks. Elon Musk's posting, just left the Tesla design studio. Most epic demo ever by end of year.
Yep, I just read this tweet last night. This guy's making a video. He's like a day late, or I guess he did make it yesterday. Okay, so let's look at Tesla stock real quick. You just saw the previous video and the portfolio. So the chart's doing. Going sideways on the month, but in the longer time frames we're up. We were up to 61 grand not too long ago. It doesn't really show it on the chart, but yeah, 61,000. So I was up $11,000. Now it's 3,600, but I'm used to fluctuations. And look at that, the after hours is still pumping. And so when you see bullish momentum like this, when you see very strong bullish momentum, and the negative sentiment starts to fade. So when I give you the guys this advice, I'm not just telling you some bullshit. I've been watching Tesla stock for 5 years. The sentiment, the stock price, the when Elon, I track absolutely everything. So. When the sentiment starts to flip, in the sense of there's less and less negative sentiment, it's starting to fade on Elon Musk and the company Tesla, and the financials and the future output starts to look better and better. You are able to get a better idea where the stock is going to go. I just shot that guy in the head, Call of Duty Warzone. I sold some shares here just for a tiny profit to release a little bit of margin here. At 315.47 earlier in the day, see just some profit, but it was only a couple $1,000 so I have 24,000 margin. But just in a moment, we're gonna go back to the video here, the absolutely newest update. So as I was saying, I bought one share. This is test it. Yeah, it's down 7%. I knew that was a bad buy. And when I look at NIO, I've had NIO for many years, and it's been down 88% to 90% for many years. When I see NIO stock start to slowly tick above. I'm down less than 90%. I know that there's some momentum in the market with the EVs. And also, NVIDIA starting to get a nice little, no, it's still extremely strong actually. But it is overbought right now. Meta, PLTR, nice little 200%. Wait, what's on Meta? Oh, nearly 150% on Meta too. Okay. VU nearly 5% on the one share I have. Okay, so Tesla, digest. Fuck all this bullshit. Okay, look at these guys saying here. They have it at a type of 250 fair value, ridiculous. That means the real fair value is 350, and every time it goes to 350 or under, and we're under 350, you should be buying anything under 350. This tells me we're gonna have a pop very soon above 350, and to reclaim 350, it's gonna reclaim 350s, and your people are gonna be buying there, and that's where there's gonna be a lot of liquidity. They're gonna be stealing liquidity at the new resistance of 350. Look at this. What is the very tops here? 356. 350, 328, basically 350s. So once we break out of this tiny little tightening here and we go to the higher move, the support is going to be like 350s. So you should be buying now, because if you're going to wait for a pullback and the support is at 350s, you might miss some good opportunities, and it's going to come down to 350s again, and then you're going to buy at the resistance, and then you might get a serious pullback, and it's really just a mess. But let's go back to the video in just 1 second here. Come on. Okay. So Elon's saying
Tesla stock is crashing.
Jesus Christ. Let me pause this so you don't have to watch the ad.
But what?
Oh, wait a minute. It's saying Tesla stock is crashing. The Empire. Oh, this is like a pro Tesla thing, actually.
If they're all dead wrong. Tech insider Jeff Brown.
Okay.
By end of year, ever. Let the speculation begin. This could be a new product, an existing product, a new capability. No idea. I do have a few.
Okay. Just whatever questions you guys have, shut up, watch this guy, just pay attention, and I'll give you some input if he's on track. So let's see what he has to say. This guy's a very good analyst.
Thoughts and maybe a hunch or two, but leave your speculation in the comments below. I don't recall Elon Musk ever teasing something this explicitly. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? And this could be anything from the new Roadster to an Optimus humanoid robot, threading a needle, a product we've never seen before. One thing is for sure, when Elon Musk says publicly, after just leaving the Tesla design studio, that they'll be putting on the most epic demo ever by end of year.
Yep.
Ever, he does mean what he says.
Yep.
Meanwhile, XAI and Grok continue to make waves. Check this out. Elon Musk posting. We are creating a multi-agent AI software company where Grok spawns hundreds of specialized coding and image/video generation and understanding agents, all working together. And then it emulates humans interacting with the software in virtual machines until the result is excellent. So I'm just going to take a pause here. Translation. XAI is creating a video game studio, and AI agents will do every role that currently occurs in real game studios with real humans, because it is also going to be a real video game studio. The only difference, instead of biological intelligence in each role, it's going to be digital intelligence. This is going to be massive. For those who don't know, the gaming industry itself is huge, enormous. I mean, many times larger than the entire entertainment industry. And there's also a lot of fat, waste, and unnecessary overhead. The post continues. This is a macro challenge and a hard problem with stiff competition. Can you guess the name of this company? Now, obviously, this is an easy one. Macro hard. It's the inverse of Microsoft, which I was all... Who named a company Microsoft? We were making jokes about this as like...
Hold on, this guy's just jabbering. Let me skip a little bit ahead.
12-year-olds. Microsoft. I took Grok 4 for a spin this weekend to build this game prototype. I used Super Grok Chat to generate the initial game prototype and then brought it over to Cursor to continue coding with Grok 4 Max. If you guys want to read the full post.
Okay, so this guy's saying, yeah, with Grok 4, you can make video games now, and it's actually pretty cool. You can make, like mini games and a lot of good stuff. Sorry about that.
You can pause the video. Let's just get to the clip here. This is kind of crazy. This is a video
Yeah, it's a video game, basically.
game generated in a matter of hours, almost entirely by Grok.
Yeah, and now they're putting the Grok in the car, or by the end of the week. So Elon said by the end of the month or 2 months, we're going to have some things rolling out. So since we have like short-term catalysts like this, and the negative news is starting to ease, we could have some more negative news coming in, but because we have some good catalysts, when people look things up, they are going to see these positive catalysts, and it's a reason to buy. So I think the stock is a buy right under 350. It's a continuous buy. Or not, let's say 330, 340 is more resistant, 345. But the chop in that range, whatever, it's like 320 right now. It's an amazing deal. So let's keep going.
Mimicking a bit of Diablo
Get it past some of this guy's nonsense.
2 style.
Okay, we don't care about watching a video game. Okay.
So, been able to generate real-world video for a few years. Just need to widen the aperture for a far broader variety of...
Yeah, I read this. So he just needs to get like more pixels, more data on the screen so we can do more crazy stuff.
Input-output patterns.
I'm going to show you 5 ways to style.
All right, let me pause this for you guys.
To which Tesla MD replies,
Yeah, it's like you guys have YouTube Premium when I mean, I guess you don't, but it's like you have it Premium because I'm skipping the ads for you, so you're not watching double ads. Here.
Tesla needs to be able to invest in XAI. Otherwise, it's not fair to Tesla retail investors. Elon responds, it's not up to me. If it was up to me, Tesla would have invested in XAI long ago. We will have a shareholder vote on the matter. Now, I've been an advocate of this idea since XAI first was announced, actually, and I'm on the record. You can go find the post on X. Company's values increased enormously since then, but still, it's early. Now, I do want to point something out. I think 90+% of Tesla retail investors, realistically, it's probably like 95%, would absolutely support this. It makes
Yeah, of course, they want to make money.
sense from an investment point of view. The two companies utterly ignored Tesla and steered away from it. So wrote, Tesla...
Yeah, this guy's just blabbering right now. Because when investing, we constantly... Well, I mean, like half of this guy's videos are just fucking hating and shit. Okay, so we got the gist of it. And we can do a quick look at the stock again today before markets closed. And after hours looks stable. Look at that. And where are we closing? We're closing near previous resistance. Sorry, I'm looking at my chart. It looks like Tesla's chart. We're closing right around here at the high. So what is this? About 315. And where's 315's previous resistance? Right here. Right here, about 315, we fell. Wanted to really make sure this base was solid before going higher. And it was, and we did. Same thing that happened here. So you can see here we have a... Hold on. As I was saying. So right here we have a move of... so we got a large pullback here. Same thing here. Large pullback here. Back to the base. And then so we should have another extension to about the same as this move. So I think we are going to come back roughly to here to 340s, as I said previously. And 340s, that'll be, I'll be up, 5.6K back on there. So 5.6 on top of 3.5. I know we can do it. 5.6 plus 3,500. We'll be up 9,100 again. And at that point, will I sell shares? No. I wanted to sell a covered call today, but it's not worth. I don't want to short the stock when there's so much momentum. That's stupid. That's how you lose money. Or you're just going to be stuck bag holding a covered call. It's stupid. So either right now, I would have sold a cash secured put if I had the cash. That's the right thing to do. Or you can simply be patient. Buy this dip. Always have money to buy. If it goes, a little fake. I don't think a fake out's going to happen, but I could be wrong. Fake out happens or some serious negative sentiment. Get another pullback to like 270s, 280s to like really, or 290s to really make sure. But I doubt it's going to happen. I think we're going to be holding these high 300s, or high 200s to 300 until we break above this. Or honestly, we might have we can really easily just break out of this entire channel here to the upside. If we break out of this entire channel, that would be gorgeous. And then the resistance would be about 375. And, 375, we're about 315 plus. It's about 20%, right? Yeah, it's about 20%, exactly 378, right where that resistance was on the map. And on 20%, that's if I'm on 340 plus what is that? It's like a 10% move for me, 12%. It's 11%. Okay, so I get 11% move on yeah. So I'll be up like 20 grand when it goes to 377, and that'll be pretty cool. Probably a good time to sell covered calls, and then that's when it's overextended. Now you guys are learning the psychology of how a Tesla swing trader actually does it. I get little to no views, which is crazy. I'm giving you guys fucking secret sauce that, dude, people will charge you thousands of dollars, dude. This is my mastermind, my secret Tesla mastermind. They'll charge tens of thousands of dollars for this information I'm giving you guys for free. I'm not even joking. I'm literally giving this. I'm literally just talking. You guys are lucky. I'm just playing a video game, and this is just what I do. All I do is track Tesla stuff. This guy's trying to snap. Hold on. See a sniper glare. Sorry, I'm playing a video game. I'm very good at multitasking. So that's today's video, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this channel gets some traction, and stay posted for the next video. Love you guys. Be patient, and DCA. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, if you want me to analyze another stock or whatever it is, just holy fuck, I just shot that guy from the hip, one shot with a sniper and headshot him. All right, guys, take care. Stay posted. Turn on notifications to see my next videos. And you can watch the previous shorts and whatnot to see like real-time stuff too. Okay, bye.